Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your video aspect ratio in CapCut. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your CapCut application, select new project, and I just select my video, then add it. So right now here you can see this video aspect ratio is 16:9. I want to change this video aspect ratio. What I need to do, on the bottom on your CapCut skin, there have a option you can find on here, aspect ratio. Here you can see this is aspect ratio, just select it, and then here you can see a lot of aspect ratio showing here. You can select your TikTok or short aspect ratio like 9:16. I just select it. Here you can see this aspect ratio also change, or you can select 1:1. Any aspect ratio you can select. So this is the way for change your video aspect ratio in CapCut. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.